Amazon also they like I said, make money out of your products being sold. They make money, obviously you make money, right? So they do a pretty good job of following up customers. So you can do the thank you card, the inserts in the product. You can do other things. But this is an email that I received from Amazon, and basically they're following me up via email to leave a review for this person. So you can follow them up by message on Amazon saying, hey, hope you loved our product. Give us a review, right? You can have the thank you card in there as well. In the thank you card, which I'll cover shortly, you can get them to email you, and you can follow them up that way. And Amazon also email your customers for you, and they follow up on your behalf as well. And this is not the early reviewer program. This is just them following up and trying to get a review for your product. Does that make sense? So there's so many things you could do to get those reviews. And I find a lot of Amazon sellers aren't fully aware of all the stuff that happens behind the scenes, and they're only doing one or two, but it's like a lot of ways to get reviews. This is a thank you card. Okay, so this is an example of a thank you card. It's in the members area. If you go to the members area, it's here under lesson 11, module 2, lesson 11, using custom cards and inserts. And I mean, it's quite easy to do. You click there, it's a Word document. Here we go. And it's just a matter of editing the template right here, right? You can edit it, and there, you can get a graphic designer to edit it for you, but it's really, you can do it yourself if you want. And you get either the supplier to print it out and put it in the product, or you can get the Amazon prep company to do it as well. I got to tell you, I buy a lot of stuff from Amazon, but very rarely do I get a card at all. Right? And the card really isn't. If I do get a card, it's pretty, poor. A poor job, right? But you are awesome for supporting a small business and purchasing our product. You insert your product. Thank you from insert your company name. You can put your name there as well. My name's Jane or John. I'm the founder of this business. Being a small business, we depend on customers who leave reviews of our products. Your experience with our products is of great value, not just for us, but also potential customers. Your opinion is valuable. Please take a minute to leave a review and share your experience. Also, just notice down the bottom there, also, join our VIP newsletter for exciting updates, new products, competitions, and much more. www.insertlink.com. What do you put there? What can you put there? Facebook, website, if you have a website, a blog. What about an email address? What about, to join it, email petproductsvip@gmail. Just create a Gmail. It's free, right? Just create one. And everyone, because it's a special email address, right? Petproducts 2020, VIP@gmail.com. Anyone emailing that, the only way they're going to find out is actually by having this insert. So they're a customer. So anyone emailing that, you know instantly that they are a customer. So now that you've got their email, you can follow them up. Give them 7 days and say, hey, by the way, thank you again for buying our product. I would really love, for you to give us a review if you haven't already done so. Right? Now you can follow them up. What about when you launch your next product? So you have your first pet product or baby product, right? When you jump on product number 2, now you have a list of all your previous customers who bought your first product, right? So now you can connect with them and say, hey, I just want to announce we've got our second product. It's just been listed. How much does it cost you to email that person and follow them up? 0, zilch, nada, right?